Hi, my name is Ty, and today I will show you very quickly how to use a VB application that I just built. So this is a login form. You need to put in password and username and password in order to log in. So this is the main form. So in this main form, there are 4 different tables: student, teacher, class, and enroll. And whenever you click on any of these tables, the table data are going to be populated into this window, the data with grid view. And whenever you click on one of these data row, all the information of the row going to be populated into these text boxes. So this is the information of the student with the student ID of 160, and you can try teacher as well, or class, or even enroll. So whenever you click on any of the data row, all the information going to be appearing over here in any of these text boxes. So whenever you click on open any of the table, you can also click on any of these buttons, like last, first, last to go to the last row, first to go back to the first row, next to go to the next row, previous to go back. And you can do this with any of the tables. One of the main functions that my application has is the insert function. So basically you can insert new record to the database. So for example, you want to insert a student with the student ID of 200. First name, say Jennifer. Last name, say Lawrence. Not sure. And major, accounting, senior, 21. So you click on insert, you're gonna see this is a new student that we just added. But one of the problem here is that you cannot add a student who has the same ID with any of the existing students. Otherwise, it's going to show you an error message. For example, you want to keep the student ID of 200 and then say John. Yeah, there's going to be a message which says please enter a new student ID. And beside inserting, and you can also insert teacher. So let's say I want to insert a new one, 8000. Then first name, and click on insert. Yeah, there we go. We got a new teacher. You can do the same thing with class. I'm gonna try, let's say, class name as Paul 999. Monday 1 p.m. and teacher, yeah, maybe the same teacher, and click on insert. And here we go, we got a new class. The only thing that you cannot insert is the enroll table, because this is a linking table. So beside inserting, you can also update the information. So for example, this student, you want to update maybe her major from accounting to supply chain or econ. So click on update. But say if you like forget to put in the major, it will not, it will show an error message and it requires you to put in more information. You can do that with any of these table. Teacher, say 7991 update. Oh, that's another problem that I want to say. Teacher ID, student ID, and class name are the three things that you cannot update it. So whenever you try to update them, they're going to be an error message. So you have to try to update maybe last name. Yeah, it's going to show you a new teacher last name. So whenever you're done and you want to clear all of these boxes, just click on clear. It's going to clear out all the boxes. Also, there's another form, the search form, for you to search. For example, search for student classes. So you want to see what classes a particular student are taking. So let's say you want to know what Jane Doe is taking. You can just search by her last name, DOE here, and here are the two classes that she's taking right now, Management and ISIS. And if you want to search for the students of one teacher, then you can just search by the teacher last name. Let's say you want to see Dr. Ma, who are his students. You can just type in his last name, and you can see Dang and Doe are his two students in his ISIS 4293 class. And you can also see students who are taking the same class, so you just can type in the name of the class. Let's say try to find students who are taking ISIS 4293, and here are the two students who are taking ISIS 4293. And basically, this is all the function that my application can do. And whenever you're done, you can either click on File to sign out, or click on here. If you click on sign out, it's going to show you the login form again. Yeah, and now if you want to log in, you can just retype in all the information of the username and password. Otherwise, you just click on exit. And that's my VB application. Thank you.